Guys, today we're labeling Play-Doh of the core sampling. And here's what I have so far, but I'm still flattening it out. It's out.
So what do we need to do this core sampling?
We need to...
What do we need? What things do we have?
We have Play-Doh, straws, and markers. And we wrote some things on this book today, just a few minutes ago before we started this.
So how many different kinds of Play-Doh are we using?
4.
We're using 4, and they represent each of the different layers of soil that we're going to be testing. We have the topsoil, the water table, the clay, and the hard rock. Right now, you're building the bottom layer. So you're building the hard rock.
The hard rock?
Yeah. Next, you're going to build the clay. Why don't you get started on the clay?
No, but it's not going.
So we'll look at the color. We'll look at our color code here. What color do you need next?
We need the...
For the clay.
What's it called? The clay.
What color is the clay?
It is yellow.
Okay, so why don't you get out your yellow Play-Doh and do the next level.
I have to... But...
Mia, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh.
Up, she dropped it.
Why don't you sit down on your tushy?
I need it. So now we're on to the last one.
The top level, which is the...
Topsoil.
Good.
Now, I do it like this. I get a big piece and I just mush it out. I break it a little. I turn it into a ball first. And push. Now we have this. I smooth it out. Like, ooh, Mommy, see that? Now we have this. Can I move on to the next? Can we do? Look. I want to see it like that.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So like there's the big hole that we digged all the way down there, and then we digged over here a little bit, and then we digged over here, and then we digged on top of it.
So we have all the 4 layers there. So we have the topsoil, the water table, the clay, and the hard rock. Now we're going to do some core sampling with a straw.
A straw? What's a straw?
A straw.
A straw? So now we did the 4 layers. We did that a little while ago. So now we're gonna put the straw in, and now what do we do, Mommy?
You're going to push it all the way through the 4 layers. Now pull it out slowly. And you can squeeze out your... Oh, try it again. Didn't look like anything got in your straw. Push it all the way down.
Yep, it's all the way through.
Okay, now pull it out slowly. Got it? Okay, perfect. So we're seeing the white. So we know that that is the hard rock. So you did go all the way through to the bottom. So try to squeeze it out and let's see what your sample looks like.
But we didn't get any of the... Wait. Yeah, we get a little of this to fix it.
No, it's okay because that's one of our samples. Don't add anything to it. Don't add anything to it, Carter. Because that's one of our samples. We'll do another sample, and our other samples will look different. So do a sample in a different spot, and let's see how they look different.
Okay.
So put that sample down on your paper here. Put it right here on your paper. That was your first sample.
Do we push it?
You can.
Yep.
Cool. Okay, so you got, what levels did you get?
I got the, what's it called?
The topsoil,
The topsoil, the what's it called?
The water table?
The water table and the
Clay.
clay. Here it is.
Perfect. Okay, so let's do another sample. Try in a different spot.
Can I do it like right here?
Sure.
Put it all the way through. Okay. I got this. Okay, push it off.
Mm-hmm.
I'm eating.
This is going to be the middle.
So in that sample, what'd you get?
I got the clay and the hard rock.
Good. All right, let's get a few more samples.
Okay. I'm going to get it from right here.
Fun.
Oh,
That's all right. Put that one on the table.
I got the whole thing.
Let me see it. You got the whole thing?
Yeah.
So what are the different levels you got there?
What are they all called?
So you have the topsoil, the water table, the clay, and a little bit of the hard rock.
Can I add a little bit more? Yes.
No, don't add it to your sample because when people are digging in the dirt, when they're getting their own actual dirt samples, they want to see which levels have the most topsoil, which have the most hard rock, so that they can choose the best place to build their structure or whatever they're trying to do with their dirt sample.
Oh.
So what you're doing is just like what they're doing. You get different samples.
I can blend it in with the paper. See?
Very cool, buddy. Did you like this activity?
Yeah. Can we do a few more?
Sure, absolutely.
Can we just do it like a lot?
Yeah, go for it.
Hey. We got it. I got the whole thing. I got the whole thing.